Dark, seductive, and just a little dangerous. This is the Vampire's Kiss, a Halloween cocktail so elegant it could be poured straight from Dracula's own lair, with rich raspberry, a hint of citrus, and a cloud of vampire fog. This drink is classy and sophisticated, perfect for All Hallows Eve. Hey everyone, happy Halloween! Today we're making a cocktail that's both hauntingly beautiful and bar quality, the Vampire's Kiss. It's Halloween, so keep an eye out for any glamoring vampires. I can't promise that this drink will save you, but it is very easy to make. For today's cocktail, the ingredients are Absolut Raspberry Vodka and Chambord, Cointreau, cranberry juice, and fresh lemon juice. The raspberry vodka will give it the deep berry flavour that we want, and despite how the bottle looks, it looks like it is red. It's actually clear, so it doesn't add any colour, but it does add a lot of flavour. And we need the Chambord to again deepen the berry flavour and give us that dark, deep red. You expect a vampire to want his drinks to look. And also the Cointreau will give us a citrusy orange flavour to it and just gives a bit of sweetness. Our cranberry juice will add some tartness and also deepen that red colour. We want it to look like blood. And the fresh lemon juice will balance the drink. So first things first, let's squeeze out some lemon juice. And we'll need 15 mils or half an ounce of lemon juice. Should be about half a lemon, I'd say. So, ice in the shaker. And you want to fill the shaker about 3/4 full. Okay. Lemon juice in. Next we want 45 mils or 1.5 ounces of Absolut Raspberry Vodka. You can use any raspberry vodka. I just love Absolut. I think the flavours are the best. Turn it over for the other 15 mils. I can smell the raspberry, it smells so good. Oh, I love raspberries. Okay, next, Chambord. We want 30 mils or 1 ounce of Chambord. Chambord is a raspberry flavoured liqueur, so we're adding more to the raspberry, but it's also going to give us more of that dark colour. Now for the Cointreau we need 10 mils, and I like to put one of these pourers in, and then I'm going to measure 2 bar spoons. A bar spoon is 5 mils. 10 mils is also 1/3 of an ounce. So if you've got a jigger that has all the different ounces labelled on the inside or on the outside, that will work for measuring this out. Direct to the shaker. And we want 2 bar spoons, that's 10 mils or 1/3 of an ounce of Cointreau. And we also want 60 mils or 2 ounces of cranberry juice. So lid onto the shaker. Let's give this a good shake for about 13 seconds, but you'll feel when it's cold, and I think that's the best way to tell when it's properly shaken. There we go, nice and cold. Just quickly before we pour, I'm going to drip some honey mixed with grenadine into the top of the glass. I'm just going to brush that in and let it drip down into the glass where it will pool, and we'll have a nice red pool of blood in the bottom of our glass. So today I've used a chilled martini glass, but a coupe glass or even a crystal goblet would work perfectly for this cocktail. So here we have the Vampire's Kiss. Let's give it a taste. Sticking to the bench. Smooth, bright, and balanced. Right away you get a hint of orange, and then the lemon you can taste as well. And of course, the tartness of the cranberry juice. So that's the Vampire Kiss. Hauntingly beautiful, perfectly balanced, and absolutely show-stopping. If you like this cocktail, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more themed cocktails. Cheers and happy Halloween!